Hello friends, so today I'm going to teach you how to build your own Google campaign for your product and websites and services that you are offering. Now basically what happens is when you build a campaign on Google, and if that is not meeting the criteria, Google policies criteria, and any other platform that you are using to make this online campaign, so they block it, they suspend your account. So I am basically focusing on how to meet those criteria and how to build an effective advertisements and Google campaign for your product and services. Now I am Google AdWord certified person, so I would say I have done it a lot, and I've been doing it for many of clients. I've been building their websites and teaching them how to, giving them consultation how to make sure that you get a very successful campaign. Now here we start. So first thing everyone knows, to build a Google campaign for PPC marketing, you need to have a Google account first. Google account, like you need to have a Gmail account, a very a proper Gmail account that makes sure that identifies your name, your email, and everything. So now how we build the Google campaign. So first thing, I need to have a Gmail account. All right. So I'll open a Gmail account first. Now here is the one that I'm going to use. This is my Gmail account, and then I log into my Gmail account. Okay, then ये लॉगिन होने के बाद मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कि हाउ टू बिल्ड a campaign. Now we'll open Google Ad. We'll type on the search bar Google Ad. So this you will find on Google search. So Google campaign मेरा already logged in आ रहा है, तो I'll see what it says and then I'll start from the scratch. So when you log into the Google AdWords account, so this will reflect this way, this will show you up this way, that this is the home page of it. So you click on home page. Basically it came up with the campaign, so you click on home page and this is the home page right now. So today's date, you see 4th December 2016, the customer ID, email address, and so on. So now these are the the home page of it. So interactions, the impression, the number of time your advertisement is reflected on Google network, and then interaction rate, and then cost, and the final cost. Now this will show you up here, so you can understand the how successful your campaign is. And apart from that, this is good quality but low traffic keywords. Now this will show up here if there are keywords that are not giving you good traffic, so this will reflect here. And then you have non-active keywords, so this is nothing to worry about. This is quite easy when you run your own campaign. So probably in 2-3 days you will come to know that how it works. The home page, you'll understand the dashboard of it. So let's create a campaign. So I click on campaign, and now as I have already created so many of these campaigns: final RYPC, India, rapid your PC testing. So these are the campaigns that I have created. So since we are building a new campaign, so we clicked on campaign. Under the campaign, we go ahead and choose the option where we can go ahead and build our campaign. Now here we go. I'm selecting one of my campaign to see what it all has. Now these are the keywords for the campaign that I have selected, and these are the bid strategy and the amount. So when we click on campaign, now let's see, this is what we get. And then I click back again here, that says campaigns. So these are the campaigns. Now if we want to build a new campaign, we click right here. So there are options how you want to proceed with the campaign, on which platform does it run, should it run. So We select over here search network with the display select. Okay, when we select here, so we are building a new campaign, so these are the options. First you need to select campaign settings, and then create ad groups, and then create ads, and then review ad groups. So now you type the campaign name. Let's say you type the campaign name tech support campaign. You type here tech support, and then you select the network that you want to display your advertisement. If it is like a call, you want your results, how would you come to know? That means how would you come to know that your campaign is bringing you some results? So that is the network you need to select here. So if I select here, the one says search network with display select, so I click here, and this gives me the option standard. So I keep it. If I keep it, that means I will be able to um, uh, this Google will be able to reflect my ads on all types of devices. Alright, and if I do it with search network only, search word network only, then I have multiple options. If I only want to show this advertisement on mobile app installs, mobile apps, or only call only, when I select call only, so this my ad will be reflected only on mobile device, which are which device are compatible to make calls. So this, if I go ahead with this way, so this will show me up how to make my campaign. So basically this is not much effective as per my understanding and what I've done in the past. So I would go ahead with the way I have done it. So I'll teach you guys how you can go ahead and build your own campaign, and very effective campaign for support and services that you are offering. So basically if you are offering technical support service, so what are the measures and what are the keywords that will help you to boost your traffic and get you some results. So I'll keep it search network with display select, and then standard, I'll keep it as it is. Or load, now this one says load your campaign. If you already have a campaign, or you can just type a campaign name here. I'll keep tech support testing. I keep it here tech support testing, and then the network. So you can select Google search network or display network. So I'll keep it as it is. It is auto selected, so let's keep it as it is. And then devices, so what are the devices that your ad will be displayed on? So this basically, as I said earlier, so if you select this partner, this search network, then this means that your device will reflect on all the eligible devices. So that means on cell phone, on the tablet, on computers. So if you select the call only network, now this search only network, if you go ahead with it and you select here call only, so this means, let's see now, this also, yeah, does it say here ads will run only on devices that can make calls? So if the computer, it won't reflect on the computer. So mostly for the technical support companies and software sales and all these kind of softwares, this is the campaign which is not effective. So I would suggest go ahead with this one, and then we go down here, you select here, and don't make any more difficult changes, and don't try to think that your ad will not work or something like that. So it'll work. So most of the features are pre-selected by Google for uh, people like beginners, to make sure that they get a successful campaign and results for their advertisements. Now the location, the next part is location. So we need to select location. Let me choose if you want to fill by your location or all countries and territories. So this is never recommended, because it when you select this location, so when it is real time for your advertisement to publish and display on the network, so what it cost is I mean the lot of fake clicks happens, and irrelevant clicks happen. So that don't do this. I would not recommend this to you. And then a country, if you want to select a specific country, I would tell you select a very specific location where you want to display your advertisement. So I select here, let me choose, I select, let's say I want to run this to in India or in America. Let's say I want to run it in United States, so I will select a few states like New York, and then so that's the way you build it up. You select New York and you select Washington, so that's the way the cities you want to select over here, and then language will be English. And then bid strategy, always go ahead with manual strategy, as it is selected here manual. If it is not, it is something from here, but I would recommend um, manual setting. So manual setting, what happens is you can increase and decrease your bid according to, so mostly Google will tell you for every keyword that you are bidding for, that what is the actual your current first page bid. So accordingly you can increase your bid. All right, now the budget you can set up. Let's say manual bid, I'll keep 150, because nowadays most of the support companies are offering service, so the bid is little higher. So the budget every day I can keep 2500 rupees. And then so this is it, this is what I do. And then you can use this option feature. So below this location, if you want to extend your location and all, so mostly you don't do anything with it. Now if I select it here, save and continue, I select it here, save and continue, and then enter your landing page. You make sure that the website is www.rapidyour.com. This is my website. Or if my landing page is not ready, and then add group, you select, you see this is what the website is coming up. And then the name of the ad group, so you can give another name for the campaign. Let's say final tech support. Bid is already selected. Now it's time to select your keywords. Now basically technical support keywords are being prohibited by Google and other marketing platform. So what you can do is you can twist your words and try to get those words which will bring you results, and the same time it is not, your account is not being suspended by Google. So I'll search for a few keywords here. Let's say I'm basically offering some kind of software for technical support. I have a software that runs on the PC optimization software is what I have. So that is what I am this is a website for. Now we'll go ahead and select a few keywords. Here it says technical support software. So this is the keyword. So basically keep initially 15 to 20 keywords, not much, but make sure that keywords are very genuine, that reflects your company's website, and then make sure that when Google is reviewing your account, so it should give a clear image that yes, what you are doing reflects in your keyword. So that will also boost your search and bring more impression and clicks to your campaign. Now I select this one, technical support software, and then I continue to ads. I click on continue to ads, and now here is the ad, how your ad will look like. So there are two options. You can preview how will the ad display on mobile and how will ad display on computer. Now I type the URL www.com, my URL, and now this is experts. Now this is coming up on the right side, you see the URL is there. Now effective, one second, experts tech tech experts, or I'll keep it tech support by experts. PC, or your company name. It should reflect your company name. So I'm keeping it with RYPC. Now it is, you see, tech support, and then headline number 2. We don't have much to explain here. You see, it says I have over typed the words, so I need to make sure that it is very effective but very short. So I will say computer technical support. Okay, I'll keep it. I don't have much to type. By now I'll come on to the headline number 2, and then headline number 2 I can again keep the very effective, like 24/7 support, or I can type the company name now, at or at RYPC. Now this is RYPC, computer technical support at RYPC. Now, and then you can type your number here, the phone number, US phone number, the path. I'll keep it 888 sorry. Alright, so this is the number will reflect, and if you want to type here more, so you can type here more. And then description, I'll keep it 24/7 support, PC support, and then PC help. Boost your PC today. Boost your PC today. So PC today 24, and then few more attractive things that you want to offer. So, and then you create an ad. Boost your PC today, and then you click here, create your ad. Now review your campaign. It says review. This is the ad look like, computer technical support. Now this is the ad look like. So here it is. You review and review campaign, and then you save and finish. Now your daily budget. It says daily estimates here, and then budget 2,500. So this will not boost up more than, so once your ad crosses this, so the automatically campaign will be paused for the day. Final tech support 150 is bit, so this you save and finish. So when you click on save and finish, so what happens is, you see, final tech support. So this is your another page where it is being saved, and the status is eligible right now. But what I'll do is I'll go ahead and show you guys. So it is campaign is actually enabled automatically. So in what it means is basically this. This is automatically enabled. So when you submit, so automatically enable it. The Google automatically enables your campaign, and it runs. Now this campaign, which I have basically, once you are done with building your campaign and you submit, then Google will review your campaign. It shows up in here. Now let me go ahead, and probably in 2 hours maximum, it will tell you that whether your campaign is eligible or not. And they'll look into few things, your website and disclaimer you have mentioned properly, the phone number and everything. Once everything is good, then you're good to go once it is live. And then all you need to do is just just turn on your campaign, and that's it. Now it says none of your ads are running. Your campaigns and ad groups are paused or removed. So I have paused it because I want to make sure there is no point of running it now until it is approved. So I want to Google people to review it, and then we'll check it later on, probably in 2 hours. Alright, Now here it is. So I'll go ahead and now run my own campaign and show you how it looks like. Alright, so I click on campaign here. I click on campaign, and these are the campaigns that I have created. You see, these are the campaigns. Here it is. I have a final RYPC India, and these are the campaigns, standards, and this is the all are paused. So I'll run one of this campaign here. Okay, I'm running this campaign. My limit is 2000. It is eligible by Google, and now testing RYPC. So these are the, now I will also check whether my ad is reflecting or not. Alright, so this is how it looks like. These are the keywords. I'm looking into the keywords. So the keyword tech support software eligible, and the maximum, the bid is 395 rupees, and these are the clicks and views. So right now I have 0, 0, so I have turned on my campaign. So let's see, these are the fixed PC. So these are the keywords. So I'll show you guys. I selected now here you can preview your advertisement and see if your campaign is running or not. So under Washington, I will type the keyword and see whether my ad is popping up or not on the computers. So here it is language English, and then desktop and laptop computers. So the viewers from Washington, one of the location that I have selected. Let's check this out. So I will technical support. Okay, so if I type technical support software, it is coming up. Now where the ad is, it says your ad is showing on the keyword technical support. Now you see right here, experts PC technical support, computer tech support by ROIPC, the website, and then this is it. This is now I will shorten the keyword and see if my ad is still popping up. Now here it is. Yes, your ad is showing up. If anyone is looking for these keywords, so my ad is coming up now, but I will just type technical support and see if right. So when I type the keyword technical support, yes, my ad is there. You see, this is a Google preview page to make sure that every advertiser or the company, they can have a look whether their ad is running or not. So if anybody is looking for all around these locations, Washington, New York, then my ad is there on the top. You see, experts PC technical support, and the second advertisement. I'll select the location again. I'll go to California. So California, the device, desktop and laptop computer, and then I type the technical support. Yes, my ad is right there. It's coming up, but where it is coming up, it's coming at the bottom. So every seconds the Google is automatically refreshing these pages and advertisement. So depends on the keywords that you have selected. So my ad is coming under California quite low. It's at the bottom on the page. So let's go to New York, and see if where my advertisement is showing up. Now this technical support is coming up there as well. So my basically my anyone is computer technical support, computer, any keywords that I have selected are definitely coming up. So this keyword does not reflect computer tech support, does not reflect my my advertisement. So I'll shorten the keyword and see. Now this is not showing up. So there are chances that your ad might still run on the Google ad Google search, because depends on the keyword, and if some matching and relevant keywords are there, so they still publish your advertisement. because eventually you are the one who will be paying for these clicks and views. Now we'll select Georgia, the location, another location in United States, and now let's technical tech support. Now here it is. So my ad is again coming up on the page. So some of these states it shows up at the bottom, some of the states are showing up on the top. So let's select another keyword that I have here, computer support. Here it is. It is coming up with the computer support software at the bottom. And so the views, again, the views depends. These are the Google views to make sure that they guarantee you that yes, when you publish your ad, yeah, it is showing. So now we'll go back and see if we get any, we are getting any impression and views on the keywords that we have selected. So the campaign is showing today's activity, that what we have created, and so far if I go ahead and look into it now, it doesn't show me any clicks here because we just turned it on. And impression, there are no impression. It shows up 0 impression. Now these eligibles and low search volume, so these are virus support software, so and malware support software, so nobody is looking nowadays. So that's why automatically Google has told me that very few people, if I click here, people don't search for this term very often, so it's not eligible to show your ads. But still, if there are people, and if still, as this keyword is selected by me for my ad campaign, so if I go ahead and type this virus support, so let's see if I get to I get my ads published on the Google. Virus removal software, yes, my ad is coming up even with this keyword. People are searching or not, but if there are 1% of people who are searching, so I'll get it up on the search ad. Now here it is. If you just search under location Georgia, desktop computer, anyone searching a virus support, so yes, my ad is there on the second number. You see, experts PC, this is the one. So that's how it is, guys. So all you need to do is it keeps popping up on the top, so which is good. Yeah, my campaign will bring more results and clicks. So it is going to be a very successful campaign, and I'll be able to sell my support and services to the audience that I want to target. Now let's select another location, Pennsylvania, and we'll go ahead. So again, Google is quite everyone know that Google is very vast, so it keeps reflecting ads. There are many advertisers like us who are advertising for their product and services. So it Pennsylvania, it doesn't show my keyword at this second, so every second it is updating. So let's say virus support software or virus removal software. Under that it shows up virus removal software. Virus removal software, it doesn't show up my ad over here. So let's shorten this up. Alright, so let's see, technical support is coming up under, yes, technical support is coming up, but depends on the bidding. If you keep the high bidding, so this will come up on the top. You see right here, it is reflecting my ad quite below. Now when you just type technical support in Pennsylvania, so it comes up on the extreme top, you see the first result on the Google search, experts PC technical support, and then details are there. So landing page, everything is right now. So people will mostly go ahead and call this number rather than going down. So this is the way you can build up your effective campaign. So now as the time, it's night time in United States, so the region that I've selected, mostly people don't visit or look for services at this time. So that's why we are getting very low traffic. We are not getting, you see now here it is. I have got a PC now, fixed PC. I've got there the 3 impression, so it is increasing, like total impression is 3 now. But if it would be in a daytime or morning time, then in 10 minutes you get like many impressions, and clicks automatically converts those impressions into clicks, and then call, and then you know what to do. Your support service will handle those calls. So I would suggest you guys that make a very successful campaign with Google Advertisement. And if you want, Google offers these kind of service by calling their technical support staff, and they will help you how to build your successful campaign. So if you guys need any more information how to build, and I am Google AdWord certified technician, I would say, and a couple of other certificates that I hold. So if any one of you would need kind of information how to run and how to make a how to make sure that you're adhering the Google policy and making sure that your results are good enough for the investment, then please do do let me know. You can write in the text, and I will go ahead and help you out with all the things that I can. Now at this point I'm done with testing, so I'll go ahead and pause the campaign that I have enabled, because unnecessarily at this moment the client is not running 24/7, so they might receive calls and their budget will uh, they will spend money on unnecessary calls. So I'll pause the campaign, and now the campaign is paused. And now if I refresh it, so when you make sure that how your campaign is paused, Google will give you an intimation on the top that yes, your campaign is paused. So sometime what happens is if your campaign is on and your money is automatically getting Google is charging you money for the advertisement. So make sure that until you see this message, none of your ads are running because of the campaign is paused or removed. Then don't log it out, don't log out from your campaign, because that's the way you can lose a lot of money in every night. Alright, so my campaigns are paused, and that's it guys. So thank you very much for watching this, and do subscribe and like, and if you need any assistance, so I am there to help you. Alright then, thanks a lot.